Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to add Capital One Shopping to Safari. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on a PC, go to the search bar and type in Capital One Shopping extension. Now, after searching this, you will see various search results. Here, if you want to add it to Safari, you'll have to basically type in Safari after this text. So basically type in Capital One Shopping Extension Safari, hit enter, and the first result that you'll be seeing is Capital One Shopping Extension on the Mac App Store. Click on this link, it will take you to this page where you can easily add this extension to your Safari just by clicking on the Get Extension button that will be available here. So I'm not on Mac, that's why I'm not seeing that button. But you'll have to just navigate to this page and click on the install extension button and you would have successfully installed the Capital One extension on Safari. Now if you're on Chrome, you can simply remove this Safari text, type in Chrome and you will see the search results saying Capital One Shopping Save Now Chrome Web Store. Click on this link and it will take you to this page where you'll have to just click on this Get button here. After you click on Get, you'll have to click on Add Extension and Capital One Shopping Extension will be saved and added to your browser as an extension pretty easily. So that is how you add Capital One Shopping to Safari. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.